Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is the 12th day of February 2020. I just wanted to get a very quick video out to show each and every one of you that even the so-called experts get their predictions wrong. This was a video done by Jim Cramer on June 18, 2019, of which he was looking for Under Armour to break out and continue to move higher. We're going to play the small snippet right here on his show called Mad Money, and then we're going to look at what actually happened in the market for Under Armour from that particular day to today's current date. So let's listen to what he said first, and then I'll look at the price chart and show you how much of a loss this forecast would be in if you're still in this trade today.
One is a very different trajectory. Witness the action Under Armour's weekly chart, okay? Here's a stock that spent years getting hammered. I mean, oh man. It's now down 50% from its highs in 2015. But Under Armour has finally started showing signs of life as it pops out of what's known as a volatility squeeze. All right? So where does Fitzpatrick think it's headed? Okay, before the breakout, Under Armour was trading between $16.50 and $25. Okay, you can see this, boom, boom, boom. And that gives us an $8.50 range. This channel first started forming early last year when the stock first broke out above its 40-week moving average. For Fitzpatrick, that means it is an extremely durable and reliable base that can serve as a springboard for much higher prices. Squeeze, boom, okay? If we use the same measured methodology that we used for Lululemon, that means this stock is now trading between $25 and $33.50. Given that it spent months coiled like a spring right below its old ceiling of resistance, Fitzpatrick thinks the stock can cover that ground pretty darn quickly. And even at $33.50, up 23% from these levels, Under Armour would still be 39% below its all-time highs. So that's not a crazy target at all. I agree. So how do we get here? Take a look at Under Armour's daily chart. Fitzpatrick says that the stock's recent run is all about.
So right there, he agreed with Fitzpatrick, stating that Under Armour should hit that target of $33.50, right? So now let's look at the price chart for Under Armour since that video came out. And you can clearly see here that the market in Under Armour, this is the weekly price chart that we're looking at right now, okay? And he was looking for the market to come all the way up there to $33.50. And as you can tell, the market in Under Armour did not even get close to $33.50. As a matter of fact, the market in Under Armour today, you will be down about 34.8%. So a lot of people give many of these experts a lot of credibility when in fact they get things wrong just as much as we do. So what makes them better than you is the question that you need to understand and ask yourself. Where are you getting your information from? Like Jim Cramer gets paid millions of dollars to push these particular stocks on this show. How much are you getting paid? Exactly. So this forecast that he broadcast throughout his whole show to everyone who watched his show, imagine how many people place a buy order in the market just because of what he stated, of how Under Armour was looking for prices to break out of that channel that it was trading in and hit $33.50 as a price target and didn't even come close. So when you see people come at you saying that you got something wrong or your price prediction was wrong, just point it to Jim Cramer. Someone who's been in the game for a very long time gets it wrong as well. No one gets this done 100%, because if it was at 100%, it wouldn't be a market. So you would expect to have winners and losers. The only thing that you need to understand is that you need to minimize your losses. At what point would you have gotten out on this trade that Jim Cramer said was a buy? That is what you need to understand and realize, is that when you know you are in a losing position, do you still hold on to it, expecting it to rise? That's where many people lose out. But the moment that you realize that a position is going against you is the moment that you need to go ahead and jump ship and bail and get out and move on to the next trade. Someone who listened to Jim Cramer on this day is still in Under Armour stock, and they're down literally almost 35%. So now all they're going to do, like many other people on YouTube tell you, is wait 5 to 10 years. Keep your money locked up in prison for 5 to 10 years, hoping that it will recover and bail out right there at that break-even point of about $28.30. That is not a proper way to invest or handle your funds. Money is not supposed to be locked up for 5 to 10 years. Do you not understand how much profitability you are missing on a day-to-day basis by keeping that money locked up? So I just wanted to come in and show each and every one of you that even these so-called experts get it wrong. So just relax. When you get yours wrong, just understand that you're not the only exception. Jim Cramer gets it wrong as well too. The only thing is he get paid to get it wrong. So again, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, follow us on our other social media platforms, specifically our website, HueFinancial.com. Definitely want to teach each and every one of you and show you that profitability can be had in the stock market without being confused. Join us. I'll see you all on the next one.